在告别人，他那无顾家己，一害着伊某，害着伊查某啊，伊就咧有无去看，这就是安尼。但你这个是教philosophy讲呀，但係我哋講淡薄啦啊。佛講啊，假日逐人來出去做人，安尼正事有做好，若是無做好，無通去做人。特別若是講啊，你看真正濟人大啲外面愛講安尼啊。唔使去聽經啦，咱唔通去拍搶人，唔通殺人，唔通偷竊人物件，唔通去撈人，搞逆了。Actually 啊，這個就是講啊，無話講 negative， 伊無做惡，但係伊無做好。Actually 你就變 negative 參 positive， 就是安尼啊，唔通悲觀，唔通樂觀。or pessimistic or optimistic. Kata lang tuati sekan lang. Having been born, jadi lang ay cuti jolang. Lang de si bangkong, au si wat yang de soi ku wan jadi jolang. Or what a teaching say. Or the Christian say, I want to be in heaven. I will join God. Whatever it is, well, tapi Buddha kong lang ay duty, lang ay trách就俾自己做嘅上擺我後時嘅時好所在，唔通失敗。失敗係咩啊？不得講，人啊是在啲世間嘅點先，伊無做好，了伊無保持，無過一戒，一戒呢是 morality or Christians 講嘅 commandment。then 伊無講啊 ，use 嘅 wisdom factor 做事，那個。deluded mind， 這係是安尼唔好嘅物件，伊愛出事做咩 ？hell 地獄，若是講無做大惡，伊就落地獄，但係伊才出事，做禽獸，做惡鬼，做隻妖精妖怪，啊無話講 demon。in other religion 啊，伊講是這個三項啦，你若是睇下做人嘅點聲。如果那是他那自己做好，你死你去好嘅所在 ，heaven。那是你無做好，你去地獄。因為把你教了攏總是相信這個 three planes， 把家己攏去讀去看我 explain 這個幫你 exercise 這個 Buddha 教 original 嘅話，佢講出31件做人。一人落來做魔鬼，落來妖精妖怪，地獄甲禽獸。and 後面物件帶咱去出事，天頂出事，地獄也是苦嘅所在。在我咱家己去做，咱嘅 character， 咱嘅 development， 咱嘅 mind， 咱嘅心。你看有人在啲世間嘅心情真歹勢地，打到去尾呢，伊要拍路，伊要去咧啊！所以只有武家講啊 ，because of his character hostile， 自己咁要拍人歹勢地，佢做咗伊啊，伊要報仇，安尼款嘅 mind， 伊嘅 character， 伊嘅人品啊，像個地嘅人，像個地嘅人，自己個暗伊陣陣要拍人，要做人。所以安尼款嘅人啊，伊愛出事地嘅。所以our duty， 咱睇下去做人，咱就要改迄個一個 revengeful attitude， 自己咁陣陣要報仇，要拍人，要做要貪嘅人，咱若是改即個物件，咱就咁 purer and purer， 後悔死了，無去出事苦嘅所在。有嘅人伊是真正戇笑，在啲世間伊亂做，伊無驚天無驚地，伊做着後後面嗰個嘿，後面咁樣，伊做着啲爸母無 respect， 呢個就是啊，伊一個叫做 deluded mind， 無大無細 ，deluded mind 就是講伊心啊，成個真正亂 ，confused in mind，just because of this confused state of mind。 伊爱出事，爱做亲事。你看，到底世间有的人未死呢，伊出咧亲事的幸有了。你看，有的乱捌看报纸 ，even the old father raised a daughter， 乱捌听啲报纸。他们物件来人做安尼物件，因为伊人的幸啊，真亲事的幸了。So who takes them to animal world？ 就去带人去出事啲 animal world， 是家己，伊 develop 嘅 mind into the animal way， 所以伊爱出事做亲事。有的人知无 ，so deluded that 一个宝无够，几万个宝 ，black 嘅个个年纪大大位，这个就是讲啊，伊 sexual appetite 太强。And what is the cause？ 原因最知道咯，原因就是讲伊 mind full of 这个 lust。And 你看，安尼样嘅 mind 要出事做虾米？你看some of the animals they have sex 30-40 times a day. So 这个就是your mind deteriorate to that extent. And then when a person dies, the mind materializes. Your mind tries to choose the animal world on a certain type of animal that is full of lust animal. 有的人只係有路，大行一杯，你每樣即係杯，或者冇一杯，夠嘅冇夠一杯。Because of the extreme greed， 你看大啲世間嘅人性，有夠食有夠錢，只呢個愛嗰啲正，嗰啲愛嗰啲正，就唔得講安尼樣 ，because of 呢啲貪太強，你係出事 in a world where。这 character 一来是贪欲，要食，and 他们的将来，这个就是叫做被盗恶，这个 frame 我写起来的31介绍看，伊爱出事做乌龟，24 hours 24点钟，伊人来出事这个去吹食呢，吹食，所以叫 hungry ghost。有的人啊。其实咁拳頭嗰個嗰啲人，冚命每人特別冇做惡，特別一其實個每人嘅冚命人，你哋 show 嘢講要 authority 要係咪特別冇亂做？所以呢一其實個係咩啊？即係有錢有貴，你們都愛出事，特別將啲咱嚟出事做人啊，咱有 reasoning， 咱知係咪好？咱应该做，他们无好，咱无应该做。特别有的人啊 ，very godly， 有他们物件通食，看人无通食，伊家己不到要互你食头先。有当时你看伊人会做这你看，若是人，后来我讲我听，一个老人去食鸭要过街路边咧落地过，有的人看到呢。阿伯来我看你过，我是有些一个去食飯，來我看你過。但你知無真正濟人 ，especially some of the youngsters 唔敢，他們就唔敢。我去看啲老查某過人，人看，唔使講我阿媽，我去看去食飯，我阿媽是去食來見笑。他們就應該做，是講這個見笑，所以這個見笑，我哋講is a deluded mind。這個老查某need help， no key help， 所以咱都是做好。假如若是自己做好的人，你的心自己女自己好，自己女自己好，像個職家呢，你要可以你要可以歪一歪。若是人無做好，實際你都叫佢做好啊，伊未做。全部啲咩外國人即係 already across 個名啦，伊會行未行下，就自己做嚟做。都不得講啊！人就是大啲世界已經 develop 嘅咧，自己 develop 伊自己出自己好自己好。So religion 啊 ，Buddhism 夾埋嘅 religion。Buddhism is a religion where 咱就要家己 practice 個sampai 咱自己變自己好。So this is called a little bit of Buddhism because Buddha spoke Buddhism in 45 years. Then what can you do? They talk Buddhism in 15 or 20 minutes or half an hour. That means what is Superman. Tapi Buddha cao chỉ là thế hàng.咱来大去做人的感想 ，What is our duty？ 咱头前要做啥物？咱要做讲，咱的 family very happy， 对不 ？If you don't want to be happy， 你要来出去做人做你，你咪快樂要做事，人俾人都快樂。頭一行，你就要笑，嗰啲 family， 囝要笑阿爸，阿爸要笑阿媽。阿媽要做囝，囝要做阿公分，阿公分要做孫。So when everybody love one another in the house, nobody lose temper. 你知無啊？那是咁心，那是笑，有啲心啊，人無去聖地。Always cultivate love. Even you see in Christianity, they cultivate love for God.But we love your immediate surrounding people. 看到阿爸，哎呀，我阿爸 wonderful man。伊如果在這，你看以後我人出人 education。所以這個講 love， you can never be angry. Let us 睇下看紅家就好。他們是老王跟人家咯，聖地一帶落來 ，because there was no love。Apa kahwin ni si, I tengok si, darling, yes, yeah. Tapi, amo wakong, family discontent. At that moment, love disappears, say she. So, mesti lu kuat. If you love your child, to be jangka ini pak ni. Nasi bola besi, ikui, stop dia. So, Buddha kata, our duty is to develop love in the house.Tata lang na si practice pati chulai tata lang hunyan sila siya. No, a family full of love. A family full of love. Why a family full of love? And but it nature in society because lan would develop the quality dia lah. Lan macam mal lang, buah ni kiseng ke. So Buddha kong, tui Yahweh pun we must love one another. Long si lukwa, even chokang.If you love your boss, the boss will love you back. Boss, how look, so can go say, please take this for me, I want it urgently. Okay, boss. Stop. Boss, still, ane ki hang, what to do, what to do, okay. Na sino na si bo love le boss, si kui chawa no pa ho, what to ane chasing, ane hang go. You're trying to squeeze blood out of me.Anya bangga. And then you show your anger. But you show your anger to sipun, lose sipun. Anu dulu sipun ah, bottom tinggal retrenchment aja. I think kita lo go first lah. Dulu kuat ni mereka. Nas dulu jangka punjul kita je siok isi mah. Tapi culai punya pengan, siapa punya pengan, lu cak kalau pun pengan.And 你若是做生意，你若是开保店，我若是要做保，他个也是个保我看，一摇落来，你讲嘛，买了错，摇个对嘛，你贵来买个下来，你给我3个7、8行，你起升价了。安尼讲，你讲贵的，你爱买买一下。You are doing it business for the last time. Okay, I will take it. Love your customers.When you love the customers, they check how to sell. But they check how to sell. But the neighbors that see a friend of another people later. What shall look into the shop? Now go to lunch now. Very obliging. So look, love to cut away anger. The whole world is trouble because it's same day. Ang bao galo kami to same day.Apa kesian di jangan ni sente. Kalau di siapa ni tu sente. Bosan deh bercoba. Bosan deh berotek. Bosan deh kendung cicing. Ani bosan deh kita kau ia kuah. Bosan deh kuah. Because ulau sini hing di balik cut ane action. Ulau sini sente di kau kuah. Sente. 会黑人的，伊若是无圣地时，你看，真正恶话，妈妈你食饱未？妈妈，安怎妈妈你困在那话，真是都是闲是无？这若是有圣地时，就是 all head 直接困在安尼换死鬼啊！我这份工无做，我食。后尾就叫你妈都 all head 了，圣地去了。所以看这个 love 不大讲啊。It's a tranquilizer， 你人若是渐渐有 love， 唔使去攞本厝渐渐撇。你妈咪讲我未困，我头壳听，拢总看到是你圣地啲激来激去。就这个一项 expectation， 知道咯？就这今日这个三兄弟啊，伊人做这个长老伙的 brother， 这个本是对了，让到我的兄弟啊，伊把所谓我人就要做三项，在我的时，啦，伊签用下面，伊刀卡手伊破病，我人做，特别死了未，不知有教。你喏，一个人啊是。对开的音声，伊有 such thing as called the last stop. Now I'm coming to something real Buddhism. 但人咧对开的音声，伊个 last moment 伊个笑的声。And what is the thing is 笑 ？That last stop 要出来出时代咯。And 这个 last stop 若是讲未晓 Buddhism 的人啊，听无咯。我做咗本厝39年，逐个人都死哦，我逐个爱去啲时间 ，I do research。他们说我要做 research， 我要看 how far Buddhism is correct。我古时是 Christian faith， 然后我要看。哎，你查无不大讲，一个人呢，last moment 这个顿开嘅点声，actually 伊出现我，你看伊个记达落了。But certain times it be, certain times 成講會人 drop down unconscious accident， 了伊唔大人了，所以 they show the signs and symptoms of the next life 啊，because 啥物啊？伊 unconscious。W 唔得講 ，even the unconscious being 啊，伊要斷開嘅點聲，伊有一個最後尾點嘅思想浮起來。And 今日我看 is very true because 真正係我家己親情。It took stroke, and then if it stroke is the last minute, what I'm saying is breathing, to change stroke breathing. Change stroke breathing means guaranteed to be serious. So what we do at you? I didn't die long, but just 1 minute or half a minute before it quit about you. Then it comes back to chill out. That is enough for the last moment. Everybody would do the last thought. And to the last thought, Buddha講那是有貪心，有無歡喜心，還是有亂的心，伊無貪出去做人。伊就要無貪、無性嘅，還是無happy state。as you call clear-mindedness, then it turns the whole of that. Because it is consciousness that takes you up and down. Consciousness, energy. 他們人會問講，他們做會去真正會落地嘅，他們要 stop， 就看吸氣咪得嘛。這個 consciousness is energy， 不得講。And now看這個 cooking gas， 你看有好 energy 大變嘅 cooking gas 啊，冇好 energy 大會低，所以你用個gas 了的時候，用到你 gas 大會低，你看一出黑煙團，又會紅，你目鏡白白唔見哦。And then 嗰個換 new cylinder， 你看 blue flame 又會藍色。You had sincere walking, sweet walking, it still go maintain in that food and sweet. And then you cook in it in that quite sick, power. So Buddha says, energy behaves according to the law of energy. The energy good energy 特別愛大定面 ，good energy 大定面 ，and because it clean and it goes sweet and it goes powerful and it gives joy. But bad energy 佢愛大一啲 ，and then it always gives you a lot of problems. 你看北京啦，南下面 ，and then 你看 bad energy 啊，真正刺激，呢個惡人佢當中。所以人嘅出自天生較玩嘅位，出自真正水。人若是講做惡，full of 伊講講自己個暗匿名人，還是敢拍嘅大寶，匿名嘅大寶，伊 create that energy，然後伊 energy 係落，所以死了是這個 energy materialize into a shape。所以你看見啲人，後面就會找到出自真正水。為查某出自真正貼士，為查某不是想，What is the cause？ 伊人講 genes， science 講 genes，genes 嘅 change， 人讀 science 講係 genes change。But there are cases where 阿爸阿媽真正水出自正貼士 ，there are cases where 阿爸阿媽無水特別出自正阿女安尼水。Genes is not the cause. The cause is Buddha called Chensi Itatakwe, full of love, full of compassion. 看到人艱苦，伊接見人 ，full of love to everyone. 一句木甘曼呢，伊來出自木甘曼呢，所以好看。Chensi 歹身地，你人聽啊，到一個查某按照死，你人甲伊起身地，你食驚去看，水無水你看，像個好母呢。So, this is called energy manifested in a body. So, we must understand the limit here. So, I think I'm starting to practice Jamlet Sensei. And how to Jamlet Sensei? Always practice love Sensei automatically to take young. 地址人啊，人真係惡毒地址行，你睇無人啊？你唔通打掉一杯，你嚟打掉一杯啊！伊要隨住㗎你，伊這個叫做啊 ，very aggressive and hostile。你若是打掉一杯啊，伊是無幫你耍。你說你something嘅話講，我拍一支互你教。So these things are 人不得真正苦惱。And 這個苦惱啊，冇得講苦惱啲啊，你看，當中是導致有人啊，真正苦惱到一波。一波做甲半時轉來又唔捌解講darling，就講咗啲啦，wonderful darling，個名幾貴，佢使我12點我先來，我中國阿妹都冇相關，伊就買一桶嘅3塊嘅，後面你規間厝伊就笑，就後面你老媽伊就過，แล้วทางเรารู้แล้วเนี่ย所以這個就是講伊無結善心 ，and then 伊punish一波，做一波啊，這個。所以這個你來看，那是這個人是一個人啊，真正毒的人，一隻狗入來啊，來討食，你也查人嘅，拼盡卡住了。這個是how你做啊？一隻狗入來討食，而你個心毒的心，如果碰，怕也卡住。啊！是只嘅自己咁入嚟外做東西，壓你嘅壓嘅事，嗱，你嚟啦，我壓你卡啦，掂住掂，嗱，你咁入嚟外做啦，即係苦啲，誒你後面做不得講，人無你結善心，你看一個人有結善心，依家做喎，哎呀，只隻狗無通食，即係咁不可以食，誒你我outside it，我outside it。他們就越做呢 and it is full of compassion. So the second thing to develop is full of compassion. 人呢是有 compassion 有一善心，一達達會真正被 hostile， 顧得這個cruelty 嗰啲話害死人，人來出事啊 cruelty， 正是做 cruelty 了，即時一來出事，一家搞輸咯。A lot of stories that Buddha explained. Saya mau tanya because 11 o'clock 話人哋食，就都係看 cruelty And how to prevent cruelty? This gentleman develop compassion. 唔使講人都將啲看到你阿爸阿媽嚟去破病，都成日就熟了。你幫曬幫住，你看了你將啲神哎呀我爸，就能幫曬三米幾米幫咗按照知道。你都按照做啊，你 feel very sorry， 都唔敢亂做。不會人在我阿爸阿媽漸去幫曬咯，死鬼上班我怎麼講好？你睇人個講，救你嘅阿爸，救你嘅阿媽。How to go to heaven? Tu ada yang, simple apa ni? Kursi lu sehat ni si apa ama, lu lausai si cokui tak tahu. Kursi ko boleh je special tak kalau mesti lah sejak kursi. Kursi kalau dia menjual mixer ni jak ni, si gaji baru saya si. Thana bolo, thana kalau all the wonderful tak kalau uti dia. Terus saya kursi ah, mana uti supermarket dia yakin ni bola, tele lamping ni siap sang okey, bau, and then kalau lu hok ngaji, bo thang ko le dry cleaner bola, piao weekend shoot senti dah, right? And all out of love of the child, apa amak say, thang le lamping mbak si hong, thang lu say je piao le mua na, si piao siwa tak pang. Mary Apama. Very cruel. Dia kiss. And yang itu tu nasi ko kiss dia ni, look dia Mary, look dia Judy ni. Nang做但我見到你在做，你做不能看，我看。But 我人講 is the mind that knows, and the mind is energy. 啲有啲咁嘅。第三項 practice sympathetic joy. 如人呢愛家庭快樂，那是做爸母驚做了，人當你 very good， 這個你上來，doctor， 你當 very well，good， 都為下面，都只會談那啲，安尼你收，安尼就樣，都為下面都講我聽。Tapi ndang order tu apa mesti motor ka apa beli kau. Beli something apa beli ke kaca awak. Sai, But what I used to go out tell my daughter, you get within the first 3 years, you tell me what you want. So you tell something very costly and I also cannot afford, So today practice called sympathetic joy, lang cho ho, look, congratulate me. Lu wishing happiness, praise Singapore. Tapi tanah punya jelang among business or friends lu nanti do very well or you get some promotion or decoration. Hey, congratulations, Mr. So and so, congratulations. But you just say congratulations only the mouth. In fact, damn it, you don't talk the promotion. Actually, jealous is you will jealous. 你叫你查甫你嚟看到husband 我都加貴咗頭整攞曬查甫頭整後邊嗰啲查甫你講咩啊？你到啲厝啊，七點四三分我那時候幾日大家試下查甫唔使做下咩 ？What is that called? Jealousy. These things are unhealthy in society. And what is that called? Because it was sympathetic joy. Now the good wife, darling, just now I saw you pass by with a lot of girls who are there. Oh, what office lang? Oh, what secretary, she's very nice looking. Won't you ask her to come to the house? Here, like, to get tea together. Don't you think that is giving a lot of happiness? All the husband as he go like this, the wife prepares makan. Hey, darling, kira lucu aja. Well, very wonderful, man. Restaurant di Changalu. What will the wife keep quiet and smile? But can I look at you come and say, it's now. Tak tahan what you want. What husband for you want? Well done. Yes, lucu dan lucu. Actually, because you have kau jam itu kau hujan. That means it's really my husband full of praise. Buddha sympathetic joy is to cut away jealousy. So Tapa the practice on the wife must practice on the husband, and children must practice on one another. When you have got always keep thinking, they have to say, always practice Franciscan so that they tackle the jealousy and lust. Always they practice equanimity of mind, especially to young people or young men. Chuki society, young people very careful. Don't like Chuki Bobin, Lang Zandam, oh no, you are very nice boy, no, you are very good, you are very nice, you are very good, you are very nice. Thank you. One of the Lang was the Ulu housing. So in other words, Lang the Ulu try to be equal-minded or balanced mind. You can how come? Họ làm giả thì đó, và khi các chầu làm bằng gì đó. Họ làm mẹ luôn, lúc không thằng chi họ, không xử lý mẹ và analyze, chúng ta nói analyze, và做唔掉 it is no good. And then as mẹ luôn, just go and tell, Daddy, just now you scold me. I know I'm wrong. Thank you very much, Daddy. Lúc này thì các cháu anh ấy what? So father was wonderful son, what doctor Chin Yang Ho what Mary was yummy, so these things are called the four things. The four things they are called the great tranquilizers of the world. Love, compassion, sympathetic joy, and equanimity of mind, balanced mind. So I won't talk much because I got only about 5 minutes more. I want to tell you the Buddhist way. Buddha khoa cho chính giác thì lãng cái biết tùy khuyết trong xa ít khoa xin việc bỏ xa không giả lãng khoa xin kẻ quê người lãng cái khoa xin để xử lý người lãng khoa xin để ọc kích cả để tệ because of the khoa xin it is called attachment. And once you under attachment, you don't have to do it. You can't want to do what I will explain one to the monk. He told himself, he crossed him, to the monk, if he told chief monk to be silent to the arm, then he started this. Yang kong monk say but this fellow you really how we see kalau tuan itu ni ni kai guna so le how we get ni tuan ni yang ben ba tu tek ikam ini one thing and then lang the see bo ja jo suddenly ho ja jo so they go on the last minute kan jo what you come to me to be having to come to me to them and the last moment it is your what you have been listen trước khi tôi chiến thắng tòa tiêu lên thải qua lên kia and then cái chiến thắng với theo bố thì bắt đầu and then it see but lúc mà cái man is a monk is a meditating monk and then the last minute it is yang kali ni yang it should be that but because good qualities like that it's a monk il should be so long. And in that district, Li Alcabola teaching, it should be a see where it's going to Chawa Kiti to the about 5 miles away. Can't suddenly about the name of the army now. Come on, what did he call himself? And you can mention him, it's just a wonderful member uncle mention him. Then boy lại yang parents chồng một chồng try chỉ đâu ra nó rồi khoan cho lên mang xem đây pelaku ni sudah kita tu pelaku pula kalau berjiwa dia buat siwai buat you cannot remember nya ya hui xiao kuan le du tao I was a chief monk here lah wan nya ne lah nang tu cai ja 我知道去做善行咧，睇嚟做人出去做人 ，because 做好嘅事，做都快 escape 嘅這個 animal world 先得快，所以這個就是叫做 last minute attachment。所以呢個經典古德講啊 ，when you are born in the beta world， 即係做過鬼啊 ，nothing can save them。 無你若會叫伊跳出這個伊做無幾個人聲 ，except only one thing， and 這個就是保持。and 你蝦米做啊？伊人就出事做無幾啊 ，the first problem 是伊人食無。所以今日伊人不大只教，因為不大生，有一個伊這賓比沙拉王，伊 relations 攞出幾個做無幾 ，and then 這個王嘅保持嘅真正。賓比沙拉這個不大好，伊用那個把我好看着。這個賓比沙拉王看到伊親像，阿個做無幾，真正 ugly looking because the energy is no good energy. And then after that policy, the policy 嗰陣時兩年就會兩件，人命一啲人好就睇到兩年。Meaning to say，假如我做好這個 specialty 嘅好數 and so， what brother or anything。Then usually normally 啊，即係無貴啊，啲人就聽咗安尼啊講，你去 transfer marriage， 啲人 reply， 啲人就want to know 嘢啲。Meaning to say。Long live my relatives, because I mean, the spiritual food is really long time. So, we offer how many times? What long time you are long time? Buddha says they don't eat material food, they want spiritual food. So, what long time you are saying? You are monks, what long go to long ho, what long time There are times what to monk 7 years, but we long time, we long ho, what long time. 我都唔係教人講，我家啲冇通食啊！我能 remain as we are. Only when we are hungry, we are going to deep meditation. Then the joy of meditating, no more hunger. So can you do long time, brother? 做這個大呢，就是 especially for the brother, Mr. Call anyone. Normally 啊，是安尼啊，那是你去做老咗 and supposing he is born in the Peta world.He always lie. But we cannot see them, they can see us. They are in a different dimension. So, can you do lang kwa? Utang silu kita talo lang kwa. Kui, do lang kwa. They say ko si kui as lang kwa e ka mo ta de. They are different dimensions. Utang si chao ti chu chen lang kwa. Utang si I chu chen in the dream lang kwa. Because we are different wavelength ya. So, they can look for utang si. Tapi utang si that does not mean that look bangkit saja siungnya, because utang si maybe look crossing, thinking too much, and you also think. But there is a tip where I explain the 4 types of dreams according to Buddhism. So jadi na do lang si Jodi Dana, especially for you. We hope that Mr. Ingwan, the late Mr. Ingwan, will receive all this merit now. So today the 一種思想高級。Lau Quan Trung age 34 now, I get sick, sangat sini. Now like a little more. Why some people die on the illness? Ini lang cakap ni Lao. Other religion called God made, but sometimes lang like Jawa. How many to God take away the breadwinner?Utang jiwa saya, saya kau buat waktu sia uji only son, and the son left me. Si kami sulang dayang, budak kau one cost. Previous life become the my success. People have a lot of hobbies. They want to go fishing, hunting, all sorts of things. Involve killing, jangan such. Kita kata cuci, I say So Buddha 講唔憑實證，所以都着到咩？會諗呢冇實證不要緊，呢係頭條，又一般嚟要變好，或者你個頭條你個always可以真正勤苦勤食全部 ，full of misery， and 勤食真正勤苦。第三項Buddha 講 don't commit adultery。Adultery 是假因，人若是無假因，踏時出事，你踏佢教嘅咪是真正親。有人愛做 adultery 了，你踏佢出事了來做人嘅事， 这家庭只要乱，不是就乱就冲突。All everything has got a cause and an effect. 第四行我看了到第世界上来咯，有当时咱好好情，有好好情感，但是你我那一就看到咱的边边走，哎呀，我都无讲一般人都看到看到我边边走。Very good people suddenly become enemies for no reason. 只要钱人去落去 ，and what is the cause? 故事咧全部control， 聽這邊烏那邊，聽邊烏那邊，聽這邊三句就倒咗七句，走十句，我會靠好聽淡薄。這個是出事嘅咁樣 ，full of enemies。and 過一行嘅 last thing， 他們是會人來出事，真正聰明，他們是會人來出事講大，人講山送人。阿爸阿媽搞，正正在搞，特別我人看，以後時都我人查。阿爸阿媽，這裡是 professor， 這裡是 lecturer， 出事來，你那辦事，還是其他的，還是教育的，一到落來，and then 有個人啊，阿爸阿媽是做差嘅人啊，出事啦，你看一看 scholarship， 8 A's 9 A's 咁樣能裝起來。and what is the cause？ 有得講啊，在我嘅咁聲，伊做嘅工課攏裝是咩？伊吹物件做咧歹件到，他們叫做做物件食白粉啦，食白粉啊！你知無？曾經出白粉嘅時 ，I remember I was still working in the hospital。頭你無出白粉，頭出甘蔗嘅，你人知無？甘蔗咧幫你再來白粉，有隻幫你認真去甘蔗時，我人做 research， 我人一個 meeting， and then 我人一個人會曉做甘蔗。rồi，anh nó bao ra lọc của sau này, chứ anh cặp chuyện xuất hiện, anh ấy qua một cái số, tôi thấy, anh ấy cho cái ganja cái nhà chỉ đang khoai tiền ăn, anh ấy qua anh ấy đến từ lâu ta có gọi tập người nhau, anh chỉ cho nó ganja khi nào thì ít nhiều lên ta có con ta đi, you don't want to marry me, I want to jump down rồi, so gọi tập với khoai tôi sao, chính xác suy, ít cái hallucinated drug。所以呢個要點樣？就是個要做到教育的，都看無實在物件。啊，你諗下看實質嘅先啊，人困咗去關節，冇嗰啲嘅路邊啊，啲嗰啲山坑，人困冇穿衫看落雨來，人唔知。The mind is so down， 唔知點行。所以the last thing 我哋個行，我人有啲個人特別講，買隻蕉，買食物，係要人見下飛機。人何路物件，就是何路唔通貪心，你何路你就食物件，你有就貪了啊！所以你咁簡單咯，我睇啦我嗰陣物件頭先，八個都下來學這個可能觀眾嘅聽啲嘢出嚟啦，學這個Mr. 這個英文人。禽獸抓叫做眾生，眾生就叫做有兩項名色，一個心跟一個物質。阿魯巴沃嘅時是叫做無世界天嘅所在，上邊有一人講無相故有心呀，物質嘅位有一個伊物質無，伊是心呀。然後有這個世界天有一個天，嗰個物質呀無心。眾生個關在眾生。伊是 the current that stream。愛問下咪會使問？正哭出來，但我大媽我念不是哭加出來，然後我就有聽來講，是講今日嘅地目較深我知，安尼你人無地基個，然後邊個人伊人有界限，伊人較知。Yes。你若是念佛嘅名，佛是一個 concept， 伊無 real 個，佛都無佇，所以這個是薩瑪他仙，薩瑪他仙唔對。 你未趁看到无上可无哦，啊，伊 different 咧，佢咧伊互你清甲掂，即个伊互你地位，伊 show 你看 impermanent， 啊，人要跳出苦海，就要观要看到无上，成了花，成了无，让啊无上，睇你看牙底。你关的是牙底，扑无了，听扑无了。等你其他起没时啊，你看你啲街上 rising falling， 一边走路，速了了，他正速了，他正正了，你看升华。啊，贵宾牙底，咁样有。哎，你看我啊，伊无做只会来，伊一个来了华，来了无，这里你看到升华。他那话讲一条短路人听，有一日啊，这会上问佛世尊你算是important了听，这是important。佛世尊，看到苦，喊你物件看到苦。佛达讲，阿比古看到六根的享受。就是看到苦啊，听好看。你讲啊，就说你讲啊，六根的享受，人爱，特别你ze善了啊，但是咱查甫房间一个查某，一穿到sexy了，叫你来入来啊，你走啊，你惊啊，像啊鬼无安尼惊。因为福建的武大讲啊，你会惊你六根的享受 ，pleasant objects 啊 ，sense objects， 像甲一个内边的人拖路要去掂落一个，无啊，猪啊，那个火团，你安尼做，伊讲我叫做滚向，他那若是要掠落去咧房间，我哋查某伫天台也走落来，你走干呢，你惊。你看到六根的享受，看到啥？看到惊大惊，后来就是正看到苦。哎，你啥意思啊？伊这个叫做巴瓦那玛雅班呀。咱若是大人讲苦命，我接线了哦，这个听，这个是跳起来笑的苦，特别这个啊，巴瓦那玛雅班呀，就是接线了啊，伊这个。感觉自己入来心的底，然后好物件、水的物件，大人讲好甲水，你看到是是啊，毒药来，你会看到六根的物件，上甲毒药啊，后来就是巴瓦那玛雅班呀，有听无？伊这个就是来的到咯，因为你接上个高压了，你面比较太强了。你惊这个说啊，将路啊，想讲啊，要将掠路去大去巴借啊，唔通借6月节啊，6月本地借啊，你再看借啲巴，唔系装借啲巴，收入啲房间，你要食饭我塞住啲饭饭入去，你要放晒放住大啲房间放，你看像小的呢。特别到一个 station， 你惊了，老抓你买，还没你买，佢哋一家己来，佢哋那就是正了。因为之，咱来回想，听经的功德真大。假如我讲的经较深，啊，所以若是对大陆人无明白，你人会使问这个，咱也佛法人，伊会拆白讲我听，所以咱来念回向这经。Imina idang me nyati nang hotu sukitang hontu nyateyo idang me nyati nang hotu kitang hontu nyateyo idang me nyati nang hotu sukitang hontu nyateyo ita vakta cham hehi sambatang punya sampadang sabe dewa sabe satta sabe buddha anumodantu sabe sampati siddhya dosa Bhavatu sabba mangalang rakantu sabba devata sabba buddhanubhavena sada soti bhavantu te. Bhavatu sabba mangalang rakantu sabba devata sabba dhammanubhavena sada soti bhavantu te. Bhavatu sabba mangalang rakantu sabba devata sabba sanghanubhavena sada soti bhavantu te. Lòng trong bình an. Buddha bộ con này, Buddha con gì này, lòng trong sự tìm mang, chứ nếu mà khoa cho ý lăng từng lăng này kinh ý con là sự chạm bạ thầy cô, chế bộ, chứ đi cái khoa học kinh sai lại, thầy cô gì mà khắc chế gì, lê mẹ, ít đại bộ kinh gia hô ít lê mẹ ít đại bộ. Anh em lấy lăng chính nhất tích tổ ít lê mẹ lấy lăng, sợ ai chút sự chính nhất lạ tạm.
Có là chạm bạ thì không lăng là cái bạ thì không chỉ cái nhẹ là cái gì đi được cái gì thấy cái gì được không chịu là nhất không cái là không chạm được bạ thì cái đó cái gì cũng cầm vào nó thì nó
nhớ luôn là gì lúc trả thải nhớ ý chạy thải lấy cút lấy trả chín xí lấy trả chín mà con xí quý à em nghĩ là mình chạy thải ô tụt qua bò kéo lấy quý to cái tụt cái đó xí anh đang ý lấy thẳng xe ôi da cái xin lắm rồi à theo xí xí quý à lăng là qua bù chỗ lăng chỗ à xí à lúc lăng bù chỗ chứ qua bị chỗ lăng tụt luôn trong sinh này dan lu si babi ame thok si ku ya wa lu di cara ne wat au si bet kai lu si mo kinh jam bong buddha thia chele musi chia so kalau là si mai sát sinh à ulang mai sát sinh à chui pun thang chia chui pun ujet jam trong sinh lại, tapi Buddha con giáo kinh ra mẹ xí mà, tôi đi lim cho chú ấy thì tôi chỉ kêu cho con, tôi chỉ truy ta, tôi không chỉ con thắng rồi, tôi bị chảo ở xí à, chết ta nào, tôi sao thì bị chỉ truy ta, có đi hàng tôi cả lúc con, là chỉ phá mẹ, lúcขาชนว่าหลังตักเลยว่าขี่อินเดียที่ไหนว่าขาชนเงาเล่นให้เป็นเสียมีการสาจิ้นเนี่ยจีถังเนี่ยจี所以我ตักไปซื้ออะไรดีจีเสียงนะจะไปจ่ายอยู่กำจิต所以不是จ่ายอยู่อันนี้ไม่จ่ายอยู่แล้วก็เขาเลยถังเสียแต่พี่ว่าจ่ายอยู่สิว่ามันสิก็ถังไว้ว่าผมเสียว่าทุนจะเลยโอ้ว่าอุปแปงว่าจะเยอะสมบูรณ์ก็ซิมขอซิมจะเอากินต้องจ้องซิมกันแล้วไอ้กิจกุว่ามโนปุพังกัมมาดัมมามโนเสตมโนมายามนสัจเจปดุเทนะบาสติวะคารติวะlòng trong sự cái lo sự chính lý nè để xin nè liệt cha thích thô mi chaแล้วจำบุจำเทศเลยมีเลยฮะมีเสียหันเลยนะอีตุ่มใจป้าthích thôอีเทศเลยฮะมีปูเลยช่วยไอ้ฮัลโหลช่วยลูกขวานจะว่าเนี่ยโจเขาไม่จะไปอ้อ出来บ่อ้อ出来แต่พี่กินได้มาเอาอ้อแล้วเราหุยlúc có đấy đang chối theo đang chối xí lắm ý vật thánh thôi lắm oi chút so Buddha con là chỉ là maiว่าcó đấyว่าchối thật lâu vậy mình chỉ conว่าbây giờว่าmai thành kỳว่าsiêu ýว่าmai họ phải gia usu cái đó là mai Buddha bộ con của bà để sai trả thao chỉ choว่าที่เขาจ่ายสิลูกหลังแห่บ่าว่าจะเคย讲ว่าไม่ใช่การลูกกองว่าที่เขาจ่ายสิไม่ใช่กองว่าเท้าฉีแล้วหลังเขาว่าแล้วลูกไอ้ใส่มือลูกจะเลยไม่บ่าไม่ใช่จ้ะบินกับบ่าได้เตรียมเสียเดี๋ยวใส่ขวาหาไม่บ่าใจก็ไม่จะพกลูกใจก็ไม่จะพกลูกก็唔使ใจก็住好啊查波是打波偷看啫未使偷錢叫你話去考察住好啊我唔知有個人 complain 咱可以得路ใจ唔知半行你要ใจ做咩我徛喺你面前是好你機會你會保持你保持你唔保持唔要緊แล้วว่าจะได้กี่วันแค่ที่เราเป็นเจ้าตาสีจะได้ตายอย่างจริงว่าจะ humble myself ลอยห้องบินที่จะเป็นแต่พี่ลูกก็ไม่ขวาจ้ะแกจะไม่ขวาเดียวอันเจ้าลูกลูกเท้าฉี่สิลูกขวาเดียวอีชัดเชิงกายขาลูกใจจับวอแล้วนั่นแหละคือคนมันโบกายจะลูกจำก็เลยไม่จะรู้ขวาเรา如果卡咧鼓这个，安尼摇这个，或者是少年偷看啦，偷看，一个咁别使看，一个怎看？我哋都训练无够嘅 ，conflict mind。So you see, everything is training. 这里我是讲，你咩啦？路咪接本诶。这个是信的时候，我不但无讲袂使食，不但讲你人好了咩？头条啊，你是那是讲你father mother是无？你father mother， 你father mother那是煮无别行，你个就煮牛肉，你乱样做。你解讲我买食，囡仔分别做嘛。是讲啊，人好了还没你食，你去食是你食牛吗？我食 food 让我食，我无讲牛啊，我食牛啊。The mind is not there。这个问題啊，特先活掉，咱嚟嘅，特先嘅布達。And in long term, Buddha should see India. And in India, we say Brahmin จะใช่ and Brahmin กับ Buddhism ไปหา so in India Buddha ชุดที่ India คุดเก่าโบจะเจอ and ทำให้สุ Brahmin จีฮัลโหลตั้งใจไรอ่ะปักจวนในเก่งจีโจย Brahmin โจย Brahmin โจยทำไมอีเด็กจีเขาคุดเก่าโล so ลูกควายเลย妙法莲华经是讲什么？是我妙法莲华经经讲就爱讲对了，假就讲唔对。这正话话咧，讲什么啊？别个人家去做，再去做这修行，and 别个人家去行这个菩萨的路。罗汉的路 ，I'm sorry， 罗汉的路，你去看。Professor 下，一个人1800年下 ，in the lotus of the good law, we find the Arahant 罗汉。